Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand how does the integration with the third party works with the Workstatus. Here inside the settings, you will be able to see that there are options list of the project management, SSO, mail server, private cloud, communication, payments and CRM third party tools are available. Let's go step by step. Let's talk about the Zoho project, which is the project management tool. You want to integrate it with the Workstatus, click on it first. You are landed to a screen like this where you have to enter the Zoho project client ID, that is the integration AWS input secret key. Then you can put the client secret key that you already have, you must be having, and then you can put the redirection URL of the Zoho with the Workstatus. So details are given here for your detailed information. Once this is done, the Zoho projects connect with the Workstatus project. These are the list of the projects which are available in the Zoho, and these are the list of the project which you want to integrate with the Workstatus. You can click on this drop down and you can even click on create new to make a new project. Once this is done, click on import and the syncing happens. The syncing, once the status has completed, it gives you the last sync time and the date. You can also click on refresh to see the updated status. Now all of the project and task description and the comments and the titles of the project and task are imported from Zoho to the Workstatus with respect to the project that you have imported. So this was all about the Zoho projects. Thank you.